Welcome to our guide on how to delete a message on WhatsApp group with the latest updates. Let's walk through the process step by step. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your device to access your chats. Step 2. Head to the group chat from which you'd like to delete a message. Step 3. Identify the specific message within the group chat that you want to remove. Step 4. Long press on the message you wish to delete to highlight it. Step 5. Look for the trash can icon at the top of the screen, representing deletion, and tap on it to proceed. Step 6. A dialog box will pop up on your screen. Choose the option, Delete for Me, to remove the message solely from your chat. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage and clean up your conversations within WhatsApp group chats, ensuring a seamless chatting experience. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We trust that this updated guide has been beneficial in assisting you with deleting messages on WhatsApp group chats. Enjoy a clutter-free and organized group chat environment with these simple deletion instructions.